Closure makes it possible for a function to have private variables. That's the only time I've ever found W3 schools useful. If it can have private variables, I can have stateful functions. It's a stateful function in the sense that every time I call it, there's some internal state going on that's being mutated, and you can see the result of that. The problem with this is that the foo variable is on the global scope, so any intermediate script can just mess with it. I can just say like foo 999, and that screws up my expectations of what's supposed to happen. So I need to protect this variable somehow and move it off the global scope. And how do I do that? I move that inside the scope of the function, right? And so now JavaScript just refuses to run. But I give up the statefulness. What I can do is return a function inside of the function and do the exact same thing inside there. I'm just going to switch this to a getAdd function, and now it still works again. I have my stateful function back, and I cannot touch foo inside internally. No one else can access it, but add can access it every time it's executed. That's closure.